Jangha Shakti Vikasak Kriya 1A. Keeping your feet together, head straight, eyes open. With inhalation, you have to raise your arms up sideways, simultaneously opening the legs as wide as you are comfortable. With exhalation, return to the original position. Inhale, arms up, legs wide open. Exhale, jump back to the original position. While doing the movement, make sure your arms do not hit the thigh or touch each other. Breathing will be only via nostrils. Do it for 10 to 15 rounds and then relax. Now get ready for Jangha Shakti Vikasak Kriya 1B. Here the movement will remain the same, but the breath will be reversed. When you take your arms up while opening your legs wide, you will exhale, and when you come back to the original position, you will inhale. Do it for another 10 to 15 rounds and then relax. Thanks for watching. Namaste.